Go.
Yodelay, yodelay, ee-oo. We're in what seems like a cave right now, and it's just we're going down the hill. I'll have my brother show you what is going on here.
Hey, Lucy, what sort of trees are you under right now?
Pine, and I think what you said before was oak. So that's what we're under.
And there's quite an echo.
Echo! Echo! So we're
Join us in the
gonna go
echo.
down this hill, see how far.
Yodelay.
Challenge.
Hey, Lucy and Gus, look down at the ground and tell us what's different about the ground here than about the last place we stopped.
Well, the last place we stopped was really squeezed in with lots of pine trees. But this place has barely any pine trees or barely any trees. And it's probably because of some bike smashing. Some of them got knocked down.
And what's on the ground?
Trees and lots of pine.
A lot more pine straw than there are leaves, right?
Yep. And there's another trail up there that's very fancy.
Is there another echo in front of you?
Echo!
It's a di-
Yodelay!
and then see if you can echo over this way too.
Echo! Yep, yodelay! I want to point out that I can see some woodpeckers have been here. Lots and lots of holes.